الله أكبر تعال مدام مدام.
Iran has launched a missile strike on the U.S. military base in Qatar. The attack happened at 2:45 a.m., targeting Al Udeid Air Base, the largest U.S. military facility in the Middle East. Multiple explosions were reported. Sirens echoed across the base as emergency teams responded. Early reports confirm injuries among U.S. personnel. The full damage is still being assessed. This attack comes after rising tensions between Iran and the United States. The Pentagon has called the strike a serious escalation. U.S. forces in the region are now on high alert. Oil prices have spiked. World leaders are calling for calm. But tonight, the world asks, is this the start of a wider war? Stay with us for more updates.